Welcome to Day 6 of the 60-Day AMA program. Here are the highlights from the session. Today, we will cover the hackathon program. The current focus of our hackathon program is on addressing specific needs within the developer community, particularly related to mainnet deployment. So instead of emphasizing novelty, the hackathons will concentrate on strengthening the network and identifying issues prior to public interaction with our blockchain Layer 1 solution. The team is tasked with creating control measures ahead of the launch, and we are evolving our educational outreach through the BlockDAG Academy. So how will testing hackathons be implemented? We will select talented individuals from our previous hackathons to work in focused groups on specific tests designed to evaluate the network with the goal of pushing the network to its limits while identifying and resolving any issues that arise. Each hackathon will target particular testing areas, and we will develop an iterative process to address problems in subsequent events. What are you testing during the hardening hackathons? Our testing strategy focuses on 5 key areas: the network's behavior under load, evaluation of smart contracts and their edge cases, the smoothness of transaction flows and ledger updates, error handling for user inputs, and the usability of developer tooling. Additionally, the testing process includes monitoring user journeys for wallet connections. This iterative approach aims to identify and resolve issues effectively. The process involves collaboration with BlockDAG engineers to create hackathons based on specific scenarios they want to test under pressure. The hackathons will feature clearly defined test objectives, allowing participants to focus on particular aspects to break. This includes establishing specific challenge areas like stress testing, transaction patterns, integration testing, and developing minimal prototypes to replicate real-world interactions with contracts. Engaging with existing hackathon builders aims to reduce noise, allowing for easier signal detection during testing. By leveraging the established relationships and experience of these teams and individuals, we hope to achieve quicker turnaround times and improved testing cadence, enabling more efficient identification and resolution of issues. What rules are in place to ensure that everything of this is done professionally? This is about the development of the final version of their blockchain, indicating that a select group will work in a controlled dev environment rather than a public network. There are strict rules for this group, focusing on breaking the system to identify issues. This approach allows for quick monitoring, logging, and patching, enabling iterative testing to improve the system effectively. So what happens when an issue is found? Once a team is engaged with a specific test, they follow a 6-step process, reporting the problem through a private submission for reproduction by engineers. The engineers prioritize fixes based on severity, implement the necessary changes, and return the solution for retesting. If successful, the fix is merged back into the main branch for safe publication to other developers, ensuring that resources are efficiently managed and projects stay aligned. So what does success look like? Mostly that we can launch the mainnet with confidence by addressing known issues and minimizing the risk of critical failures. The approach involves rigorous testing under high-load conditions and early identification of potential problems to ensure a smooth launch. We will have a proactive planning strategy, including multiple backup plans, to ensure that the launch is successful and does not rely on hope. If the hackathons are invite-only, how can others still contribute? There is the public testnet Awakening, which features similar functionalities to the Asset Network. We encourage participation from anyone to identify issues with the system, with the possibility of rewards for valuable feedback. The main goal of testnets is to allow developers and users to find and report problems, while controlled tests will also be conducted in their development environment. To be clear, we are not going to necessarily just rush blindly into launching this. We are going to make sure that we've proven it and that it's working. That wraps up Day 6 highlights.